If you've been watching our channel, then you might have caught the bottom for CRO coin, and you might already be up over 180% at the time of this recording. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and we are making money here on this channel. Now, we do not give financial advice, but we do love cryptocurrency. Me and my partner, maxi, on this channel are doing 5 videos every single day for you guys to tell you about the plays that we are making in this market. Right now, Cronos is going up big time. Solana has been going up quite a bit. We made some money on that. Recently, we've been talking a lot about the Stacks ecosystem as well and some of the craziness going on there. But I want to focus in on Cronos today because if you missed this play, well, I can tell you that I don't believe that it is too late. That being said, you don't want to FOMO into giant green candles, guys. That's never a great idea. But there is a bull market coming for crypto, and there's something that you need to be aware of in the charts for CRO and in the thesis behind why CRO is inherently valuable. You know, we have a lot of people in the comment sections on these videos that sometimes just don't believe in CRO coin. And I can understand why to a point, but I think you got to look at the big picture. Now, for the entirety of this bear market, we were talking about this project all the way through this downside. And so we saw a lot of negativity in some of the comment sections this way, but we said DCA, DCA, DCA. When we were down here, we were saying DCA even more. If you really believe in this thing, these are the best prices we're going to get. Historically, these were the lows, and we rallied so far 180%. And frankly, guys, I think there is a lot more upside. If you look at CRO coin versus Bitcoin, and it is good to look at any altcoin versus its Bitcoin pairing. And you are seeing a trend where CRO had an obvious breakout here. Now, we are consolidating right now, and so the theme on this video is CRO coin test. There is a chance that CRO tests back down to this yellow line. I don't think, however, that will occur. What I do think might happen here for a test for CRO is there is a chance that we might see CRO test down at about 12.2 or 12.7 cents potentially. That being said, when you do look at CRO coin right now, I'm more likely looking at the possibility that we might just keep coming up from here. But I want to warn you guys that we might have a test on this level where we had our previous breakout at about 12.2, or if you go back to some of these previous candles from the past, you could even say 12.7. If you look at the daily candles, you could see, about 12.7 over, well, right here on these little wicks over here. So we might see a little test back down. But with the fact that CRO coin is breaking out versus BTC, I vote we continue this uptrend, and CRO has at least 44% more upside versus Bitcoin before we reach resistance. And if we break through that resistance, then we can keep going in a very big way. In total, I'm very excited to present to you guys. And again, if people think they're late to this play or they want to invest in Crypto.com's CRO coin, well, I believe very much so that if you look from top to bottom and from bottom to top of where we're at and where we can go for CRO versus Bitcoin valuation, we could have 650% gains for CRO versus Bitcoin. And I believe that Bitcoin comes out of this wedge, potentially breaks out, and continues to go up. And I do believe that at some point we are going to see Bitcoin, especially now that institutions are seemingly FOMOing into Bitcoin, continue to go up and to the right. So if Bitcoin goes up and to the right, and CRO coin is supposed to get 650% gains versus Bitcoin, then when you go back and you look at the previous highs for CRO coin, you look at $1, and $1 seems like a joke. It seems very easy for CRO coin to hit $1. Now, a lot of people don't believe in the dollar CRO coin theory. I get it. But we believe in a $2 to $5 CRO coin here on this channel simply because if you look at what Binance coin did in the last bull market and look at Binance as its major competitor, Binance is not doing nothing compared to Crypto.com right now. When it comes to regulation, they have a CFTC regulated crypto options product. No other crypto exchange has that right now. They have over 80 million users versus Binance is about 160 million users, I think. They have a platform in many, many countries. Unfortunately, the centralized exchange isn't available in our country, in the US. It is available in other countries around the world. The app is still super awesome. They have a goal to reach the next billion users. And, look at the partners. How could you not be bullish on this coin? Now, I do think there is a chance that we could have a test back down at the 12.7 cent level. But more likely, guys, I believe we could continue to see some upside. They've already got all these partners. They're adding more partners. The Bitcoin halving is coming up in April of this year in just a little over a month. And historically, Bitcoin goes on over a 365-day rally from that point. We should see Bitcoin rally into 2025. Now, my profit-taking strategy will be starting in 2024 because I think 2024 is going to be the big year where people make the most money possible in crypto. 2025 will be closer to the top, so you're better buying closer to the bottom than you are to the top. That being said, this isn't financial advice. I'm not recommending that you FOMO into crypto.com now that it's pumping. I've been recommending that you guys, well, I haven't been recommending anything because we don't do financial advice, but we've been talking about the prospect of, if you like Crocoin, to buy in the bear market at about 4.5 cents. At the time of this recording, we're up to about 13, 14 cents right now. And so we've had quite a bit of upside, but arguably there may be more. The signs are obvious, guys. It is looking good, and I am personally very excited. Later this week, I will be revealing how many Crocoins that I actually own on a live stream. We do a live stream every single weekday, Monday through Friday, so make sure you guys check it out. If you want to get in on some of these plays as we're doing them and learn more about what this is about. Again, not financial advice, but you can follow us here on the channel to try to learn a little bit more and join us on the journey, guys. This is the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip. Don't forget, guys, to DCA, HODL, and of course, I will see you in the next one, guys. Got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. See you next time.